In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a Microsoft to-do list. Whether you want a physical copy to keep on your desk or a PDF you can share or archive, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step and add a few tips along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Microsoft To Do on your computer. You can do this through the desktop app or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you see the tasks and lists you actually want to work with. Now, start by opening the specific list you want to print. On the left-hand side, you'll see all your lists, such as personal work or custom lists you've created. Click once on the list name to bring it into focus in the main area. Take a quick moment to review the tasks in that list. If there's anything you don't want to see on your printed copy, like completed tasks or old items, clean that up now by marking tasks as done or deleting anything you no longer need. This will help keep your printed list clear and relevant. Once your list is ready, look towards the top right corner of the Microsoft To Do window. You'll see an icon with three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these three dots. This menu contains additional actions that aren't shown directly on the main screen, and printing is one of them. After you click the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option called Print List. Sometimes it might be near the middle or bottom of the menu, so take a second to scan the list carefully. Once you click Print List, Microsoft To Do will prepare your list for printing and open a print preview window. In the print preview, you'll see how your list will look on paper or as a PDF. This is your chance to double check everything. Make sure the correct list is shown and scroll if you need to see all the tasks. If something looks off, you can cancel, go back to your list, make changes, and then reopen the print option. Within this preview window, look for the printer selection area. There will be a drop-down or a field that shows which printer is currently selected. If you want a physical printout, choose the printer you'd like to use from this list. Confirm that the correct printer is selected, especially if you're in an office or shared environment with multiple devices. If you'd prefer a digital copy instead of a physical one, choose the option labeled Save as PDF or a similar virtual printer. This will create a PDF file of your Microsoft to-do list that you can store on your computer, send in an email, or upload to cloud storage. After you select Save as PDF, you'll be prompted to choose a file name and a location on your device. Once everything looks good and you've chosen either your physical printer or the PDF option, confirm the action by clicking the Print or Save button in the preview window. Your list will either start printing or be saved as a PDF, depending on what you selected. That's all you need to do to print your Microsoft To-Do list or save it as a digital copy.